I love working with a neutral color palette, but the key is to embrace a variety of elements that will add a distinct interest. So I'm really excited to talk to you about the Organic Modern Collection. So this is where nature and modern design marry in a truly magical way. Imagine a dance between an architectural element and nature. That's what we have going on here. So for this collection, we draw a lot of inspiration from nature's tranquility. Think warm, neutral tones, rich textures, and natural materials all layered together. The idea of combining different textures extends to hard surfaces too, like black mosaic tile for kitchen backsplash or matte black fixtures for your otherwise neutral spaces. So adding in leathers, suedes, rattan pieces, it really creates a tactilely stimulating yet visually restrained environment. Unexpected ways to add a modern touch to the natural organic feel is a design at its finest. This style brings together organic textures and rustic elements. By adding natural textures and shapes, the modern organic decor is warm, inviting, and soulful.